Hello, and today we are going to talk about weathering, erosion, and deposition. Earth's surface is constantly changing, and new land is constantly being formed. Rocks get broken down by weathering, move through erosion, and deposited or dropped somewhere else through deposition. Let's take a closer look at weathering. Read with me. Weathering is the process where rock is dissolved, worn away, or broken down into small pieces. Weathering can shape rocks into unusual formations. Water, wind, ice, and plant roots are all causes of weathering. For example, rainwater can easily enter cracks in rock. When it gets cold, the water may freeze and expand the crack. The ice will eventually split the rock. Also, plant roots can grow in rocks and cause them to split. Let's take a look at erosion. Read with me. Erosion is the process by which water, ice, wind, or gravity move pieces of rock and soil. The crushed rocks and rubble are called sediment, and when it rains, they are washed away into streams. If it does not rain, strong wind can blow them away. Gravity makes soil and rocks move downhill. Erosion can happen quickly or take thousands of years. For example, the Grand Canyon, located in Arizona, is a very big hole in the ground that is the result of constant erosion by the Colorado River. It took over millions of years as rocks were taken away. Let's take a look at deposition. Read with me. Deposition is the dropping of sediment by wind, water, ice, or gravity. After pieces of the earth are moved through erosion, they are deposited somewhere else through deposition. It could be only a few feet away or many miles away. Deposition happens when water slows down or stops moving, the wind dies down or stops blowing, or when the glaciers melt. New landforms can also be created from the deposited material. For example, waves can deposit sediment in areas offshore where they can build up to be sand dunes. Weathering, erosion, and deposition are constantly changing our landscape. Can you imagine how most areas of our Earth will look years from now? Let's look at a few examples of weathering, erosion, and deposition. This is the limestone shoreline weathering in Guam. This is physical weathering in Iceland. This is a natural arch produced by wind erosion in Jordan. A rock formation sculpted by wind erosion in Bolivia. Sand blown by wind deposits in the form of sand dunes in Death Valley. The wind deposits sediment that create a yellowish wall-like structure called loess in Mississippi, U.S. It's time to show what you know. Your teacher will give you a Mastery Connect quiz on weathering, erosion, and deposition. Feel free to refer back to the text in this presentation to help you answer the question. Do your best and have a great day.